Hi, I'm Luke with Appliance, and today we're going to be unboxing the Kamado Joe Jr. Make sure that their products get here in one piece and not damaged, which was really nice to see. They really make it easy for the consumer to get the package as well and put it together. So we're going to start by unboxing this and putting it together for you. So one nice thing with Kamado Joe's is they are pretty much pre-assembled. You just have to take the packaging out. You usually do some unwrapping and then put it back together and it's ready for use. Our stainless steel grate and our heat deflector. Our fire ring. And our fire box. Our daisy wheel control tower. I gotta figure out how this comes off. Grill gripper, and then the cast iron fire grate. Now everything should go pretty quick here except for the cast iron stand is wrapped in plastic, so this is going to take a little bit to get off of there, but we'll start peeling it and then get it all put back together. Okay, we've got the grill out of the packaging. We've got the plastic off of the cast iron stand. Now we're going to put it back together. The assembly on these is really simple. It's really quick. If you are going to buy a grill and want to be cooking within an hour, Kamado Joe, hands down, you can have them fully assembled and ready to cook within an hour. So the grill itself, once it's fully loaded, weighs about 68 pounds. So it is a one-person lift, but is recommended that you use two people if you're going to be moving it down to the boat at the lake or if you're tailgating. They are portable though. So open this up and we'll get it put together. So the fire box goes in first. We want this lined up with our vent at the bottom so you can scoop the ash out. And your fire ring goes in after that. Then you're going to put your cast iron fire grate in. Then you have your rack that holds your heat deflector. Then you've got your stainless steel rack. The grill comes with everything that you see here. It also comes with an ash tool for cleaning out the bottom or moving coals around. And then it also comes with a grill gripper. So if you have to pull the grate off when it's hot, you can do that. So everything comes as one piece. It's $3.99, which is a really great value for a grill that has so much flexibility for cooking and temperature swings that you can cook at. You can smoke on it, you can sear on it. It's just a really good product overall, and we're happy to have it in our store.